Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys an attempt of me trying to make a Roblox game. Here's the end result. So yeah guys, that's right, I tried to make a Roblox game. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, before I show you guys, do not judge, because this is actually my very first Roblox game. And I say it's the finished product when it's actually not. I'm probably going to be trying to make games that are more advanced. So I'm probably just going to be ditching that game. I'll still leave it up and running so that you guys could check it out. But, you know, that game, it really did teach me a lot about Roblox scripting and Roblox Studio itself. So that's why I want to show it to you guys. I want to show you guys how a basic Roblox obby and what effort is needed into it. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys. Okay guys, so I didn't really expect that was gonna happen. I thought I had my Roblox Studio updated, and I thought I actually had it installed. Maybe it just had to update it. So here is my game right here. So I have two files here. The first one is the actual game, which is called Super Fun Obby Beta. You won't actually find it in search results because it is actually not popular enough. So you guys might not notice, but there is actually a lot of Roblox games which people never are able to find because the popularity level isn't enough. And that's why a lot of people scrap Roblox games and try and make new ones. That's not a reason in my case. It's just because there's already so much obbies in Roblox world, and I don't want to do something that was already done. So I'm just gonna keep on working on my Roblox scripting, and hopefully eventually I'll be able to make advanced games. So the second file is actually a local file or a backup of it if I, for example, forget to publish it but I still save it. Or sometimes for some reason Roblox Studio doesn't want to work and it doesn't want to let me to upload. I don't know why. I guess it's just a glitch. So instead of publishing it immediately, I save it to my file and I publish it, 30 minutes later, and it works. Now, I'm just going to stop talking so much and explaining. I just want to show you guys this game already. So we're just going to click on my game. Maybe I should do some Roblox Studio tutorials. Smash like right now and comment down below if you do want a Roblox Studio tutorials. So this is my Roblox obby, guys. This is pretty basic, really, and I hope I can show you guys it, because I think I might not be able to, because one, the encoder might get overloaded and I might have to switch to Windows game taskbar, and two, it might just not work because of lagging. Now, right now I am stuck in stage 11, but this did not work. Yeah, so you know what, I'm gonna show you guys the game later, but before I do, I'm just gonna show you guys some scripts inside this and how much objects I have too. So this small level 12 level obby game is an obby which I'm gonna get rid of soon, but before we do, I'm just going to explain some of the scripts. Some of these scripts are scripts which I had to code myself, and some other scripts are basically just from Roblox Dev, and I just copied the code. And I'll show you guys exactly what of what. So as you guys can see, I actually just grouped this all up in models, but you guys can see that there's these lava bricks. Now, I had to program them so that they actually killed the person and made them reset. So there is a small kill code here. And honestly, guys, this is really basic, but although I did code it myself, that was pretty cool. It is really small. So, like I said before, how do programmers become big and how do programmers become better? By doing small stuff first and then moving along to more complex stuff. So that's why I decided to do an obby, guys, because it's something that, beginners could do, and maybe it would be a good experience. So as you guys can see, it's just a script.parent. So here it basically says script.parent.touched equals connect function hit. So let me just explain this line of code here. So script means, so basically the directory of this script, and then the parent of the script is the lava brick, and then if it is touched. So basically this line of, I just did something, but anyway, this small part of piece of code is actually an if statement if you think about it, because it's basically asking if someone touched this lava brick, do this. That is an if statement, guys. And then here it says connect function hit. So connect means basically add or create, and then basically add a function. Now you could name this function whatever you want, but I decided to call it hit. You could call it like, I don't know, lava, I don't know. And then here we have another if. Here we have an actual if statement, which is if hit.parent find first child humanoid. So if the humanoid got hit by the lava brick, then parent hit.parent double dot break joints. So break joints basically kills the player, as I will show you guys later. So next, one more script, guys. This is a script which I copied. Oh, also, I want to show you guys a big part of this game. It's called the checkpoints. So, checkpoints on. I had a random checkpoint system from online, and I did that as my checkpoint system. But as I was soon to realize, that did not work because there was no saving system for that. And since making a saving system so complex, maybe making a saving system like that may have been a little too complex, so I decided not to. Although I do have to add some scripts still for that. I think, yes. We have 2 scripts here for that. And I'm going to show you guys that right now, actually. So, of course, to make a checkpoint system actually work and save for you, you have some code here. So, this is the saving system. Now, I'm gonna admit this is not code that I typed. This is code that I actually learned from Alvin Blocks. Check it out top right now. Actually, right now. That's better. Without Snap, it doesn't work. Obviously, you guys know that, right? Yeah, so Alvin Blocks is basically this cool YouTube channel, which, I watch. I'm not sponsored, by the way. And it's a pretty nice channel. It helped me out with typing this code in. And basically, this is just saving system. I'm going to close all 3 of these scripts and go on to the final script. And then for the moment you guys have been waiting for, actually playing the game. So I'm sure you guys are waiting for me to do that. And so what you want, so final part is in replicated first. This is the local script, and this local script actually makes a loading screen. So as you guys will see, there is a loading screen in the beginning, and that's to make sure all the objects are loaded. Now, of course, there wasn't too big of a point on a game so small like this, but on big games, which have a lot of objects, or maybe like shooting games, would probably have a loading screen most of the time, unless it like makes you wait until you could actually start playing. Yeah. Okay, now I am going to begin the process of showing you guys. Okay, so I have to find my Roblox account to log out of this one. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna discard that. I have made myself a new user, like, a couple days ago. And my user is, if you guys are curious, unknown222 free to free4. I just chose numbers randomly. I spammed some numbers. Don't try friend requesting me, because I am just going to be deleting that user account later. If you do want to friend request me, check out the screen right now. And that's basically my Roblox user account. So if you want to friend me, do so if you want to. Now, we're going to go to my game, which is called Super Fun Obby. I will also post a link in the description below for this obby game if you want to play around too. And we're just going to click play. Now, problem is, since usually Roblox doesn't work really good Roblox doesn't actually work really good with OBS. For some reason, I don't know, the encoder keeps on getting overloaded. I'm going to switch to Microsoft Windows Game Bar thing, and I will try to show you guys that. But before I do, I just want to show you guys the actual, beginning screen. Hopefully I could show you guys that at least, because I think by the time I try recording with Windows Game Bar, it will be gone. So I'm just going to press play. And right now Roblox is loading, guys, so bear with me. Okay, I may have closed my browser too early. Okay, never mind. We have Roblox running, and as you guys can see, we have this loading screen. Loading. I'm sorry, you guys, the encoder is being overloaded. Yeah. Why is this? Maybe anyone knows why this happens? I'm stuck on my loading screen. Okay, well, I guess sadly then we're just gonna have to end it like that. That's why you do multiple Roblox games, guys. That's why it's not easy to be a Roblox game dev, because stuff like this happen. Now, I can't even call myself a Roblox game dev. I only did one game, and it just glitched. I'll put the link in the description below anyways, and if you guys want to play along. My encoder is still being overloaded, so I'm just going to end this video here. If you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button with the bell notifications icon. Hit the bell notifications icon because then you will never miss another video by us. I post regularly. Also, one more thing, if you guys want to comment if you guys want to. I get through every single comment, at least I tried to, in the next day or so. So feel free to comment. I will, if it's supporting comment, I will heart it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!